Namaste. Hello friends. In this video, you will see how to draw thumbnails. Thumbnails are small quick design ideas that an artist sketches. Thumbnail helps the artist to get their ideas to be put on a paper, and then they will work on the final design looking at all the different small designs sketched. In a way, thumbnail is almost similar to brainstorming. Watch till the end. We have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.